In this video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install FxPro trading app. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to your Google Play Store. It can be on any of your device like phone as well as your PC. Head over to your Play Store and search for FxPro Online Trading Broker. It's developed by FxPro Group Limited, and here is the actual logo for that. You can see it has 4.3 reviews with 10 million downloads. So for this case, just head over and click onto this install option, and this app should be able to be installed for your device. It looks like this. You can trade thousands of stocks, metals, indices, and more such as gold, euros, UK, USD, Brent, and you can also see right here the speeds. It has competitive spreads and ultra fast execution, as you can see right here. So you can make informed decisions about your trades. So you can also stay informed about their economic calendar and volatility alerts. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.